You have a buy on Power Grid and on GAIL. Just take us through those strategies.
Yeah, coincidentally both are PSU companies, and Power Grid particularly because the results were very good and the commentary from the company is also good in the con call later. And if you look at the options positions and the future and options both positions, we have seen that 14500 call was heavily written like anything, and the stock is trading above that level. The open interest at this particular strike was so high, and now finally we are seeing closer in this particular open interest, and that is where I think the momentum may be there on the higher side. The positions are getting rolled to 150, so that is why I think if somebody can buy this particular call option of 145 around 2.5, then 6.57 rupees can also be seen in the coming sessions. The highest put options base is now placed around 140. That will remain the immediate support. And if you look at the volumes, really good volumes have picked up around 138, 140. And eventually what is happening, the stock has been forming the higher bottoms. We saw that happening at 120, then later at 130, now at 140. It has been the FI favorites, and that is why the selling pressure before came because of the closure of some positions in the futures, but in the cash segment particularly, the FII's position has almost hit the limit. So that shows the interest by them. But in futures, continuously the positions were getting added, but just because the market was weak, we saw some liquidation there, but it was finally arrested from 140 levels. So in the short term, we remain positive in this. The other PSU stock, coincidentally, is GAIL from the oil and gas space. Now, I think my sense is most of the fall is almost over in this particular stock. It has already given up from 550 to 350, and from the month of March, what we have been seeing is, though market has come down on a couple of occasions near 8,000, but this stock has been forming the bottom around 370, 360 levels. If you look at the volumes, it is almost 6-month high in this stock near these levels, and the open interest is almost at life high. I mean, that shows how significantly the huge short positions have been built up over the period. But from 3 months now, it has not been breaching these levels. Even when the market is falling, with good volumes, it has started a little bit moving up. So I think the short covering is going to pan out in the coming days. So one should remain positive in this and look for a target of beyond 400. I think 425 can also be seen in this. So this may be a little bit different kind of stock from the oil and gas space, which one can look at in this jittery market also.